Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. And friend, today we are going to learn Google Chrome bookmarks and how to backup that bookmarks and restore them in your Google Chrome browser. So friend, let's see on the computer how you can easily do bookmarks and restore them and how to export bookmarks in Google Chrome. So friend, first thing first, we are going to follow first step, that is open your Google Chrome browser. So right now you can see that this is my Google Chrome browser, okay? And friend, here you can see this bar which is showing over here. So you will get the idea. This bar is bookmark bar, okay? If this is showing, then okay. If you want to hide this bookmark, then I'm going to show you how you can hide this bookmark and show your bookmarks, okay? So let's see how we can do that. So first thing first, we are going to show you. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can do by manual. Okay, so here click on this three dot icon which is showing on right hand top, then simply click on this three dot icon. Then friend, you will see here bookmarks and list. Okay, now friend, here you will see these are the options. Okay, here you will see show all bookmarks and here you will see hide your bookmark bar. So right now we are going to see how to hide bookmarks bar. You simply click here, then now you can see all bookmarks is gone. Okay, if you want to get back that bookmarks bar, then what you will do, simply click on this three dot icon again and then hover the mouse on bookmarks and list, and here you will get this show bookmarks bar. Also you can use your keyboard shortcut. If you are using Windows, then you will use Ctrl Shift and D, so this will show and hide these bookmarks, okay? And if you are the Mac user, you simply click on Command Shift and B, then this will do that. Okay, so right now we are going to click here so that bookmark bar will show. When I click here, then you will see this bookmark is showing now. Okay, so this is the method you can easily hide and show your bookmark. And now we are going to show you how you can do by keyboard shortcut, right? Then we are going to do that. First we press and hold Ctrl, then press Shift and then press B key. So this will gone. Okay, again do the same thing. Press Ctrl and hold, then press Shift key and hold it and then press B. So your bookmark will show. Okay, so these things you can do by your keyboard shortcut. Okay, now we are going to see the next thing, how you can easily do the bookmark. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a simple way to do bookmark. Okay, so here we are going to search some website and we will do bookmark in folder. Okay, so let's do. First of all, we are going to open some website and then we will bookmark that website. Very easy method today I'm going to show you. Okay, so here for example we are going to open, this is Google, and here we are going to search some advanced things, so that will be daily uses things. Okay, so PDF to word website. Okay, for example this website we are using daily. Okay, so here you can do bookmarks by a simple way. You simply click on this star button and here you will click on this done button. So this will bookmark done, okay, like this. Okay, so this page or this website is now bookmarked because here you can see this star is going blue dark color. Okay, now if you want to make a folder and then you want to save that bookmark in folder, then what you will do? Right now we are going to remove this bookmark first. By this way, when you click over here, then here you will get this pop-up box and here you will get done and remove. Okay, right now we want to remove this bookmark. Okay, you simply click on this remove button and now you can see that dark blue color is gone and this website is removed from bookmark. Okay, now we are going to save this bookmark in folder. Okay, so friend, first of all we are going to create the folder. What you will do, simply right click on this bar. Here you can see, just right click on the bar and then add folder. Okay, so here you will see this folder is showing and now we are going to add some name. So here we are going to add my best websites. Okay, then click on this save button. So friend, here my folder is created but I'm not able to see that folder. Okay, so I'm going to show you a simple way to put that folder over here. Okay, simply click on this arrow and here you will see my best websites. You simply click here and hold it your left key of the mouse and then drag this folder here. So now you can see that folder is showing in your bookmark bar. Okay, now I'm going to show you a very easy and advanced method to bookmark this website in particular folder. So select the URL, then click and hold it and then simply drag that website in folder. So friend, here you will see that my bookmark is showing blue color, which means my bookmark is done. And now we are going to see that bookmark is showing in folder or not. So when I click here, then I can see that my favorite website is showing in this folder. Okay, so friend, by this way you can create folder and so friend, right now we are going to see how we can easily export our bookmark in our local computer. Okay, so keep watching. Now we are going to learn how to export our favorite website as a bookmark. Okay, so first thing first, what we will do, here we are going to click on this three dot icon which is available on right hand top, and by this way you can easily going to see this bookmark section. Just simply click on this three dot icon and you can directly click over here and now you can easily click on this bookmark manager. So friend, when you click over here, then you will get this option. Okay, this is the first method you can open this bookmark sections. Okay, now you can also do these things in different way. For example, here you can see the all bookmarks option. You simply click on that, or you simply see open side panel all bookmarks. You simply click on that, so you will get these options over here, and by this way you can easily sorting this with this way you can easily sort it. Okay, so right now we want to export these bookmarks. Okay, so what you will do, simply click on this arrow icon you will also redirect to this bookmark section. Okay? When I click over here, then all things are showing the same. Okay? By these two ways, you can easily open Bookmark Manager. So friend, now we want to export all the bookmarks which we have already done over here. Okay, so we are going to do that. Okay? So how we can do, I'm just going to share. So friend, here you will see that this three dot icon which is available on the right hand top after this bookmark bar, you simply click on that and you will get many options. You simply click here and here you will get import option and export bookmarks. Okay, you simply click on this export bookmarks, click on this desktop, and here we are going to do backup, then bookmark. Okay, this way you can easily export your bookmark. So friend, here you will see that this is the backup bookmark which is we have done it, and let's see how it will look. So friend, here you will see that all the bookmarks option is shown here. Okay? By this way you can easily export your bookmark and save this bookmark in safe place in your computer. So friend, this is the way you can easily export your bookmark from your Google Chrome browser. So friend, now we are going to see. So friend, here right now we are going to learn how to restore your favorite website of bookmarks. Okay, so keep watching, I am going to show you. So friend, here you will see that this is the bookmark, and now we want to back up this bookmark or restore this bookmark in another browser because already this bookmark is available. Or here I'm going to delete all the bookmarks and again we are going to import all the things. Okay, so how we can do that, please check. Okay, so now here you can see that all the things are showing and we want to delete all the bookmarks. Okay, you simply click on this three dot icon and again you simply click on this bookmark list and then click on this bookmark manager. Okay, so here you will see all the things. So here when you click here, then you will get this delete option and delete option. By this way you can easily delete all the things. Okay, so some websites already deleted over here of your bookmarks. Now we are going to restore the bookmarks over here. Okay, so how we can do that? You simply click on this three dot icon again and you will get this import bookmarks. You simply click over here and we are going to select that option and then click open. So friend, here you will see that this import option is shown over here. Okay, so let's see that how it will look. You simply click over here and when you click here, then all the bookmarks option you can check it out. These all things are restored in my Google Chrome browser. So friend, by this way you can easily restore your bookmarks over here. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can use bookmark in Google Chrome. So friend, I hope you learn different things in this video. So friend, if you like this video, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.